The investors decide it would be helpful to analyze the property lists they've purchased. You create several totals queries to help them evaluate the list of properties. You begin your property list analysis by creating a total row in the datasheet view of the mortgage payments query. The total row provides a variety of aggregate information for each column. This query has already been set up to show only unsold properties. Notice fields can be dragged into the middle of a query as needed. You display the average values of all unsold properties. The average list price is displayed. You display the count of properties. You display the average of the calculated price per square foot column. You are going to create a totals query to help Don and Matt evaluate the properties in groups. By using the total row in Design View, you will be able to get better precision from your results. Once you click Totals, a new row labeled Totals displays in the design grid between the table and sort rows. Each field will have Group By listed in the new row by default. By changing the total row to Where, you can add a condition. You add the criteria of Yes because you only want to see sold houses. The average sales price of homes sold in this listing is $280,229.50. You perform a similar operation in a second query. You will calculate the average sale price and count of listings for all sold properties. You group the results by realtor so you can see the average value of the properties sold for each realty group. As you are grouping by name of list, you will see the average sale price and count of listing for all sold properties. Notice the column headings are slightly hidden, so you will resize the columns so the entire heading is displayed. You now see the average value of the properties sold by Realty Group. Don and Matt learned at a seminar they attended that the longer a property has been on the market, the better their chances of negotiating a favorable price. You revise the query to include the average number of days on the market for each realtor. By summing the number sold column, we see the total number of sold houses. The total number of houses sold now displays at the bottom of the numbers sold column. The days on market field will show the average number of days on the market for each realtor. The query results show the company listings and the average number of days on the market. Companies that have houses on the market for a long time may be more willing to negotiate with Don and Matt. By adding grouping to queries, you can get overall totals or totals grouped by each distinct value for a field. Don and Matt are now able to use this information to help them analyze their data better.